Kazimierz, jesteśmy w Waszyngtonie na zjeździe Mars Society 2015 roku.
Good morning. Expecting people to say good morning when I say good morning. It's a pleasure to be here. Sorry I wasn't able to make some of these earlier sessions. Looked like you had a really good debate about Mars 1 and about Moon versus Mars for space exploration. Fortunately, I was at another conference out in Utah on small satellites and got back home about, well, flight landed almost exactly 12 hours ago. So, fortunately, I had, I think, sufficient quantities of propellant this morning called coffee to get me through the next half hour or so. If you saw the printed program, you know that this was originally intended to be a panel discussion with myself and a few other journalists talking about media and Mars and space exploration. What happened, I think, is that some of the other panel members couldn't come, and I was the last person standing, so they asked me to turn this into a presentation. My hope, though, is to engage some of the good aspects of a panel, having a dialogue and discussion during the time period we have allotted, in part because I don't think I have 30 minutes worth of slides. But I do want to encourage a little bit of discussion about this. I think we'll have some time to do that and talk about this. This is going to be a little bit different talk than some of the other talks you've seen so far this morning. Very little science, very little engineering about this. This is going to be a topic that, though, a lot of people are interested in. A couple of key takeaways here from the very beginning of this, so that if you need to step out or you decide you want to go to lunch early, you already have key takeaways from the discussion. One of the ones I want to get away is that the concept of media, media is a plural word. And I'm going to explain what exactly I mean by that beyond simple grammar in a moment. And the other thing is that it's never easier than ever to get your word out, but it's never harder than ever to actually get your message received. So what am I talking about here? Media is plural. A lot of people complain about the media. The media, they're not covering Mars enough. They don't care. The media is too focused on trivial